Hey guys, I just wanted to put up a quick video as we had a recent issue on my Malibu, and this was the solution. And I see it happens a fair amount occasionally on the internet. So I wanted to show you how to fix this. I had a power wedge failure where it was saying reset 10 seconds, port actuator current, maxed out. What that is basically is a fuse has blown, and I'll show you where to find this. I have a 2011 Malibu wakesetter, so this is the solution for you guys. You need to get under here, and there's a fuse, and this red boot right here holds a 25 amp fuse. And that is the issue. It is blown and you need it replaced, and within putting that in, the power wedge goes right back up. So it is not a complicated issue, it is just a pain in the butt issue if you don't know what's going on. So I would recommend, like we had, luckily, some extra fuses in the glove box. Recommend you do that. Simple, easy solution. So hope that helps you.